Welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswell.
So sweeties, what have you heard about potatoes? So today I'll be sharing with you the healthy benefits of potatoes. Okay, potatoes are rich in fiber. They are a good source of potassium. They are antioxidant properties. They support healthy digestion. They support healthy bones. They also reduce inflammation. They also support healthy weight management. Okay, so these are benefits you gain when you eat potatoes. So make sure that potato is part of your meal today. It's so healthy and a lot of benefits to benefit in it. So hello sweeties, welcome back to Cook with Grace Sweet. To my return subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in, and to my new subscriber, thank you so much for joining the family. And to those who have been watching that have not subscribed, what are you guys still waiting for? Jesus is coming. Please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified whenever a new video is being posted. Okay, sweeties, so let's go back to the video. So another important information, always make sure your environment is clean whenever you are cooking. Always make sure your environment is clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness, and we do practice personal hygiene when it comes to cooking. And another thing I want to tell you, sweeties, is ever since I made this smashed creamy potato at home, oh my god, this has become one of our favorite meal at home. That no week passes that I will not make creamy mashed potatoes. So sweeties, I am telling you because it's one of our regular meal that we will eat. So sweeties, try to put potato in your cooking menu. If you've not done that before, just try. Okay, and you can follow the process on making this creamy smashed potato with salmon fish. So in my previous video, I used liver to make the sauce, and today's video I used salmon fish to make the sauce. That's to tell you that you can make it in different ways. A lot of things to cook with potatoes, a lot of dishes to make with potatoes. So whichever one you feel like making, or making for your family or your kids, just feel free and make this dish. It's so interesting, so delicious, so inviting, and this is something you can give anyone and the person will eat and enjoy. So I hope you'll be giving it a try. I love you all, and stay tuned to my channel. In fact, stick to this channel, Great Cook with Grace Sweet, and I love you all. See you all in my next one. Bye.